Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today, we will go through some important GK questions that are frequently asked in competitive exams. Ready to boost your GK? Let's go. First question is, the Patkai Hills belong to which mountain ranges? A. Purvanchal. B. Hindu Kush. C. Himachal. D. Himgiri. The correct answer is A. Purvanchal. The Purvanchal range includes the hill ranges of the Patkai, Bareil Range, Manipur, Mizoram Mizo, and Naga Hills. Next question is, the Gandhi Sagar Dam is built on which river in Madhya Pradesh? A. Narmada. B. Chambal. C. Son. D. Tapti. The correct answer is B. Chambal. The Gandhi Sagar Dam is built on Chambal River and is located in the Mandsaur and Neemuch district of Madhya Pradesh. Next question is, the Dampier-Hodges line is related to which of the following? A. Bay of Cambay. B. Polk Strait. C. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. D. Sundarbans. The correct answer is D. Sundarbans. Dampier-Hodges line is an imaginary line drawn in 1829 to 1830 to mark the northern boundary of Sundarbans Delta. It passes through 24 Pargana South and North districts of West Bengal. Next question is, the Sabarmati River originates in which among the following ranges? A. The Satpuras. B. The Vindhyas. C. The Aravalis. D. The Western Ghats. The correct answer is C. The Aravalis. The Sabarmati River originates in the Aravali Range, specifically from the Udaipur district in Rajasthan. Next question is, city of Ujjain is situated on the bank of which river? A. Narmada. B. Chambal. C. Shipra. D. Betwa. The correct answer is C. Shipra. Shipra River rises in the Kakri-Bardi Hills Vindhya Range north of Dhar district and flows north across the Malwa Plateau to join the Chambal River. It is sacred river to Hindus. Next question is, what is the length of the Siachen Glacier? A. 35 kilometers. B. 56 kilometers. C. 69 kilometers. D. 78 kilometers. The correct answer is D. 78 kilometers. The length of the Siachen Glacier is 78 kilometers. It is the largest glacier of India and situated in the Karakoram Range. Next question is, Jadugora is famous for which of the following mines? A. Bauxite. B. Uranium. C. Manganese. D. Iron ore. The correct answer is B. Uranium. Jadugora, Jharkhand, is famous for uranium mines. Next question is, geothermal energy is basically a which of the following type of energy? A. Renewable. B. Non-renewable. C. Biotic. D. Non-cyclic. The correct answer is A. Renewable. Geothermal energy is a type of renewable energy which is the heat energy generated and stored in the earth. Last question is, which of the following is the longest dam in India? A. Bhakra Nangal Dam. B. Hirakud Dam. C. Jawahar Sagar Dam. D. Dulhasti Dam. The correct answer is B. Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam is the longest dam in India. It is located across Mahandi in the state of Odisha. The length of the dam is about 15 kilometers. How many did you get right? Comment below. Subscribe for more questions and stay ahead in GK. Thank you for joining us today.